Now, we are going to discuss the second definition of economics, welfare definition. Listen, Alfred Marshall, it is the glittering name in this connection. We already know that it was Alfred Marshall who used the term economics instead of political economy. He shifted the focus of the subject from wealth to welfare. And another prominent economist under this category is A.C. Pigou. Marshall and Pigou discussed about men and welfare rather than wealth. That means these two economists argue that economics is not about wealth but is about welfare. അതായത് മാർഷലിൻ്റെയും പിഗുവിൻ്റെയും അഭിപ്രായത്തിൽ സമ്പത്തിനെക്കുറിച്ചല്ല മറിച്ച് ജനങ്ങളുടെ ക്ഷേമത്തെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള പഠനമാണ് സാമ്പത്തിക ശാസ്ത്രം. Let's move quickly on the definition given by each of them. First we consider Marshall's definition. It is a very big definition. So please keep your eyes and ears wide open. Marshall in his book Principles of Economics, published in 1890, placed emphasis on human welfare rather than on wealth. His emphasis on human welfare is evident in his own words. Political economy or economics is the study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It examines that part of individual and social action which is most closely connected with the attainment and with the use of material requisites of well-being. മനുഷ്യവർഗത്തിൻ്റെ സാധാരണ ജീവിതത്തെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള പഠനമാണ് എക്കണോമിക്സ്. ക്ഷേമത്തിനാവശ്യമായ ഭൗതിക വസ്തുക്കൾ നേടിയെടുക്കുന്നതും അവ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട വ്യക്തിഗതവും സാമൂഹികവുമായ പ്രവർത്തനമാണ് അത് പരിശോധിക്കുന്നത്. So, what Marshall wanted to say is, economics studies the ordinary business of life since it takes into account the money earning and money spending activities of man. Or in other words, it examines how a person gets his income and how he spends it. And second, it studies wealth, but more focus is on the study of mankind. Economics is a social science since it studies the actions of human beings. Economics studies the material part of human welfare or well-being. In short, according to Marshall, wealth is not an end in itself. It is a means to an end, the end of human welfare. Thus, on one side, it is a study of wealth, and on the other and most important side, a part of the study of man or a study of well-being or welfare. Economists like A.C. Pigou and EDWIN also defined economics in terms of welfare. In this connection, Pigou's definition is worth remembering. Economics is that part of social welfare that can be brought directly or indirectly into relation with the measuring rod of money. Though Marshall's definition was hailed as a revolutionary one, it was criticized on several grounds. Firstly, according to Marshall, all material things promote human welfare. But we know that there are material things which are damaging human health. For example, productions of intoxicants are material things, but they do not promote welfare of any society. Secondly, Marshall's definition aimed at measuring human welfare in terms of money. But actually, welfare is not amenable to measurement. It is an abstract term, subjective concept. It expresses the inner feelings of a person. So, it cannot be measured accurately or quantitatively. Finally, Marshall's definition completely ignores the fundamental problem of scarcity. In conclusion, according to the second category definition, economics is the science of material welfare. So now we are in a position to switch over to the third category definition, that is scarcity definition.